So we're going to be making the box part of this 2 or 3 part project. So I've got these old slats of, I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's a softwood of some description. It's quite nice. If anyone knows what this is, please put it down in the comments section. I think it's had some sort of varnish on it or something, but if I can get the camera to focus, there you go. That's what it looks like. So this came out of a broken serving tray. So I kept all the slats from it. I've got loads, and I thought I would use these rather than trying to do wood joints. You can. I think I'm going to butt joint it, or I might mitre joint it along here. We'll see what happens. You could do wood joints like this. This is just a finger joint. But then you had this problem here, like for example there was a gap here, so I filled it with this piece of wood and then I'll sand it flush. Wood joints do work, but they take a lot of time. Like this took me about 20-25 minutes to do and chisel out, which in my opinion is rather a long time just for making some joints. Okay, so that chopped really easily, so I'm going to do the other 4. Okay, so we've sanded up all the pieces. I'm just taking dust off them. I've given them all a light sanding on the edge as well, ready for the electric sander. Now all we really need to do is assemble this, the difficult part. Now, what you can do if you don't have any clamps, stand here for a while and hold it. Which is what I'm gonna do.